Hi everyone, I'm Kristen Durrell. I'm an author and a journalist, and I'm so excited to be hosting the ScribeTribe series coming soon as part of the Littlescribe Mini-Writing Festival. The 2 days will be jam-packed with incredible creatives talking about important and relevant topics. Students get to watch, question, and build skills. We'll be looking at research and critical thinking, efficient essay writing, multimedia, writing for TV, radio, podcasts and books, and we'll be sorting facts from fake news. We'll also explore historical fiction and how to ask those quality but uncomfortable questions to reveal untold stories. Wow, there's so much happening, I can't wait. But if students miss any of it, or if they'd like to watch it again, the sessions will be available online until the end of Term 3. If you'd like to know more, head to littlescribe.com.